Is your ankle sprain silently leading to arthritis? Hello, this is Dr. Siddharth Dambar from Chicago Arthritis and Regenerative Medicine, expert in regenerative medicine and in rheumatology. Today, I'm discussing a common injury that many people brush off, the ankle sprain. When you twist or roll your ankle, it's easy to assume that all you need is rest and ice. And while that's often enough for minor sprains, there's more to it if you keep injuring the same ankle or feel lingering weakness. This could be a sign of chronic ankle instability, which, if left untreated, can lead to more serious joint problems down the road. So what exactly is chronic ankle instability, and why does it matter? Chronic instability happens when the ligaments in your ankle, which are responsible for holding your bones in place, have been weakened or overstretched from repeat injuries. When this happens, the ankle becomes prone to rolling or giving out. Let's talk about Biotensegrity, which is the concept of how different parts of the body, like bones, muscles, and connective tissues, work together to keep us stable. In architecture, there is a concept of tensegrity, where individual units, when separated, are weak, but when put together and under compression, the overall structure is stronger than the sum of the parts. In the body, this same concept is called biotensegrity. Ligaments are like cables that help keep our bones aligned, creating balance and allowing us to move smoothly. But when ligaments are weakened, the balance is disrupted. Think of a structure when stretched cables occur. It doesn't hold together very well, and it becomes unstable. When this happens in our bodies, it doesn't just impact the injured area, it can disrupt stability throughout the body as well, setting you up for further injuries. Now, how do you know when an ankle sprain needs more than just rest? Here are a few things to watch for. First, if your ankle rolls easily, even when you're walking on flat ground, that's a sign of instability. Second, if you're experiencing lingering pain, swelling, or stiffness long after the initial sprain, that could mean your ligaments didn't fully heal also. And third, if you feel unsteady or weak in the ankle during activity, it could mean that you're dealing with more than just a simple sprain. These are all red flags that suggest your ankle has lost some of its stability. Recognizing these signs early and getting evaluated can save you from further damage and pain. When you have these symptoms, it's likely that rest alone won't provide the stability you need. So why does chronic instability matter in the long term? Ignoring it doesn't just mean you're likely to sprain your ankle again. It can actually lead to a condition called osteoarthritis, where the joint becomes damaged and painful. When your ligaments are weak, they can't keep your bones aligned properly. Over time, this imbalance places more stress on the joint surfaces, causing wear and tear on the cartilage that cushions the joint. With each additional sprain or misstep, the cartilage gets worn out and worn down further. Eventually, this can lead to osteoarthritis, which is when the joint's protective cartilage wears away, leaving bone to rub against bone. The process is gradual, but it's also progressive, meaning it only gets worse over time if it's not treated. Taking steps to restore stability now is key to preventing long-term joint damage and keeping your ankle healthy. Prolotherapy and PRP are next level treatments to consider if you have chronic ankle instability. If you're showing signs of chronic instability, treatments beyond just rest and physical therapy might be necessary. At Chicago Arthritis, we offer regenerative medicine treatments that address the root cause of instability. Two effective options are Prolotherapy and PRP. Prolotherapy involves injecting dextrose solution directly into the ankle's ligaments and into the joint. Injecting into the ligaments causes mild inflammation and encourages the body to strengthen these ligaments to heal and rebuild these tissues. By strengthening the ligaments, prolotherapy helps to restore that crucial tension that keeps the joint stable. PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, uses a concentrated solution of your body's own healing cells. When injected into the ankle joint and surrounding soft tissues, PRP works to repair and strengthen damaged tissues, restoring balance and stability to the joint. PRP treatment is a moderately strong treatment and stronger than dextrose prolotherapy treatment on its own. These treatments are ideal for mild to moderate instability, but even more severe cases may benefit from using bone marrow concentrate, which has a higher concentration of your own mesenchymal stem cells, to target and heal the damaged ligaments. By treating the underlying ligament weakness, we can help prevent the progression toward arthritis and long-term damage. So when should you reach out for medical advice? If you've had multiple sprains or feel like your ankle hasn't fully recovered from the last one, it's a good idea to check in with a specialist. Getting the right treatment early can make a huge difference. Don't wait until it's become a major issue that affects your daily life and mobility. In summary, chronic ankle instability is more common than many people realize, and it can have serious consequences if untreated. If you're experiencing recurrent ankle issues, don't ignore them. Early intervention with regenerative treatments like prolotherapy and PRP can help restore stability, relieve pain, and keep you active without the risk of surgery. Biotensegrity, the body's balance of tension and compression, is vital for joint health, and taking steps to protect this balance now can make a big difference. Take care of those ankles. Remember, a small issue today could become a bigger problem if left untreated. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Until we connect again, have a good day and live well. Bye-bye.